There are many ways to propose to a girl on Valentine's Day, and the best approach will depend on your relationship with her and your personal style. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Plan a special date, take her out to a nice dinner, go to a movie, or do something else that you both enjoy. At the end of the evening, you can get down on one knee and pop the question. Write her a heartfelt letter. If you're not the most confident speaker, you might feel more comfortable expressing your feelings in writing. Write a letter explaining why you love her and why you want to spend the rest of your life with her. Plan a surprise. If you want to do something really memorable, you could plan a surprise proposal. This could be anything from a scavenger hunt that leads to the proposal, to hiring a mariachi band to serenade her while you propose. Keep it simple. If you prefer a more low-key approach, you could simply take her out for a walk or a drive, and then propose in a beautiful spot that has special meaning to you both. No matter how you choose to propose, the most important thing is to be sincere and speak from the heart. Good luck.